Hey, let me show you how you can edit photos on this Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So I can recommend you to open the gallery, and from this just pick the photo that you want to adjust, and in my case it will be, for example, this one. So now we have to click on this icon and we can actually find here a lot of different tools. So first of all, we can actually flip our photo. From this we can even rotate, and when we click on the free we can even change the aspect ratio. There we go. Let's say that I want to get it for the 4:3, but I'm gonna actually make it a little bit smaller. Now from this, I can even make some changes with the horizontal look. The same for the vertical. So let's put it like this. And from this, it's actually enough for this adjustment. I'm gonna click here to make the changes about the white balance. So as you can see from this, it's actually give me some highlights, shadows. Let's say that I want to get, for example, this one, the Kiss Me filter. And when I click from this, I can still adjust the light balance, the brightness, exposure, contrast, and highlights. Next, we can find the shadows, saturation, tint, the temperature. We can also change the sharpness, and we can change the definition. When you click right here, we can also draw on our photos. We can add some stickers, or for example, input the custom text. There we go. From this, you can pick the different font size. For example, this one, font styles. Input the text, then you have to click here, click done. And now we can place it wherever you want. And when you tap here, we can even erase some stuff. You can also get some spot color, get some different styles. Take a look. This one actually looks really cool. Yeah, the comic looks really nice actually. So let's say that I want to stay with this one. So now I have to click done and click save in the right upper corner and make save. And there we go. As you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.